I had the window open just a little bit to get some fresh air in the house. It's nice, what, a couple days before Thanksgiving, and we can be comfortable outside.
Yeah, and remember this for a couple days after Thanksgiving.
Really cool.
Things will be changing on us. We got a big storm system that we've been tracking for the last couple of days. Here's an updated look of where it is now. Still moving its way down the west coast toward Northern California. It will make a hard right turn to the east. And once that happens, it'll be spreading our way and bringing us kind of a messy system, mostly in the form of rain. That's the good news, but maybe not entirely. That's some of that little cloud cover building up, some falling out of the clouds. We call that virga, but it's not reaching the ground, nor do we expect it to. 58 degrees right now. South winds at 16 miles per hour. Made it up to a high today of 62. We're still 61 at Manhattan and Junction City, 55 at Burlington. So definitely mild weather in place across the area today, even 53 at Hiawatha at this hour. South breezes 10 to 20. And they're starting to let up a little bit. Not as strong as it was maybe an hour, even hour and a half ago, and certainly not through the earlier part of the day. But those south winds will continue. They're not going to fully let up tonight, and that'll bring in the moisture. Cloud cover starting to build in at least partially from the west. We'll see more of that thicken as we head later on tonight. Again, the storm system out over the west. This is that holiday rainmaker. You can see it moving down into Northern California. Already cloud cover extends out into the central and northern Rockies, and that'll spread our way tomorrow. Just a thin band of clouds right now across Kansas through the central part of the state, but still mostly sunny off to the east right now. Rain's likely as we head Wednesday night into Thursday with the first part of this system. We're tracking the cold front to move in, and that colder weather late Thursday into Thursday night may allow a little bit of that to change over into a winter mix Thursday night into early Friday. That's the concern, and that's the area that we're really going to be watching. As you take a look at KSNT Future Track, starting tomorrow morning at 7, we'll already be back in the low 50s and should get close to the 60-degree mark again tomorrow. And we may hold there pretty warm into early Thursday. This model keeps us in the low 60s in the morning for Thanksgiving, but then falling by late afternoon, near freezing northwest, still mild in the southeast. But as that colder air builds in and areas try to fall near or below freezing, there's the concern. Will there be precipitation left? Another look at Future Track shows cloudy skies, drizzle developing through the day tomorrow. We go into Wednesday night and Thursday, and that rain really starts to pick up. Areas of locally heavy rain at times throughout the daytime Thursday. And the northwestern side of this gets cold enough for some to mix over to freezing rain. The good news is the bulk of the precipitation will be out of here by then. Lingering light precipitation is what we'll have to contend with overnight into Friday. Another round of winter weather then hits the Wichita and Dodge City areas on Friday, but a lot of that stays just a bit to the south and southwest. So we won't rule out that we'll get some of that, but here's the other side to this. How much rain we're looking at. Wednesday night into Thursday, we're going to be looking at enhanced rates of maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain. That does a couple of things for us. First of all, good soaking rain, but that also keeps things wet before we get colder, and that could be a good thing, keeping the mix not on the roads as much. Rain likely, 100% chance of that on Thanksgiving Day. We start to cool down, 38 for the high on Friday, and off and on light winter mix into the weekend as well. Something we'll be watching. There's the moonset this morning in Topeka. Some of those clouds moving through the Manhattan area from Deb Scott, and a bald eagle perched over Lake Shawnee from Kathleen Otto. Of course, all attention turned to the travel holidays leading up to Thanksgiving. No problems. After it, we'll watch.
Maybe watch after the meal then.
Right.
Thanks, Matt.